All right, V6. I'm thinking about a car. K6. This is super duper easy, so roll with me, okay? So we want to have our variables on this side. We want to have our numbers on this side. That's my hashtag sign, okay? So to do that, we need to move the +3 onto this side. We need to move the +3 onto this side, right? Because we want, once again, our variables on this side and our numbers on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 3 on both sides. Now, you may have remembered that we taught you to draw a line down the middle so that you can keep everything separate, okay? So that might still help. Good. So +3 and -3, they kind of just cross each other out. That leaves you with just the V on this side. And 6 minus 3 is just 3. And we're going to bring down that sign. So it's greater than or equal to. So our answer is going to be V is greater than or equal to 3. So type in V, and then you use these tools, and we're going to use the greater than or equal to tool, and then we'll type in 3, and let's see what happens. You got it. Okay, good. All right, so let's do one more, okay? So this one is what the problems are, solve for V, the directions rather, solve for V. Okay, so V plus 5 is less than 10. I'll do it over here so we have a little more room. Plus 5 is less than 10. Okay, good. So let's start. Now, we want the variables on this side. We want the variables on this side, and we want the numbers on this side, okay? Good. So what are we going to do? We're going to subtract 5 on both sides. That way we can isolate the V. We want the V by itself, okay? All right, so +5 minus 5 is going to give you 0. So we can just scratch that out, and we have V. 10 take away 5 is 5. And we're going to bring down the less than sign, okay? So now let's solve it. V, and we're going to use the less than tool. It's less than 5. And let's see if we're right. Well done. Okay, so I'm just going to help you with those two. You can do the rest of them yourself, okay? You can do the rest of them yourself because it's easy. Look, I mean, all you're going to really do is you realize, hold up, I need to move this +5 to this side. So you're going to subtract 5 on both sides, right? And so that gets rid of that. And you'll have your P, and A minus 5 is what? You can figure that out. So you know how to figure that out. Solve that problem, turn in the work, do well.